In this video, we'll show you how to remove the AI mode from Google search results on your Android or iPhone. So by default, when you search for anything, let's just search for this how to turn off developer mode. You'll get this AI overview at the top, and below that you will see the usual links. Now if you don't want to see this AI overview, all you have to do is type your search query as usual, and then at the end type in -AI. So all you have to do is tap on this minus sign followed by AI and then hit search. Now as you can see, I'm no longer seeing the AI overview. Now this works for everything. So if I type in another query and enter -AI at the end, it will immediately show me the search results. Now if I remove the -AI query, it will show me the AI overview first. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.